Hello guys, today I have a really nice pinkish brown kind of mauve look with some funky lips. Thought you would enjoy this look. I had a very fun time creating it, and it has some winged blue liner. I'm going to add some concealer on my eyelids. This is like how I like to prime my eyelids this way before I apply my shadow. I'm just going to blend this in like so. I'm going to make sure that's completely blended all the way. And then I'm going to add this peachy shade as well. And I'm just going to add this into my crease and on my outer eyelid. And all the products will be listed at the very end of this video. I'm just going to nicely blend this all in. Then I'm going to add this dark brown chocolatey shade onto my crease and just gently blend that in. And you want to make sure this is very blended in, because it's a very dark color as well. And then I'm going to take that beige shade and white shade together, and I'm just going to apply this on my inner eyelid. And what I did here is I just went back and forth, so I basically blended in the brown pink shade after applying the white and beige shades, and then I would just go back and forth because this look takes a lot of blending. Now I'm going to apply my black liner, and I'm going to create wings. Wings are always kind of challenging for me. And I'm going to add this beautiful blue glitter liner over the black. Just gently apply that, being careful to stay in the lines of the black liner. And I'm going to add concealer under my eyes. I was talking to my mother here in the background. I'm just going to blend this in like so. I'm always very careful. You don't want to blend too hard because you don't want to cause, like, you don't want to see any smudge marks. So you just want to make sure to blend well. I'm going to add some onto my nose, chin, near my mouth, and between my eyes. Well, I should say between my eyebrows, and just gently blend that in, just to kind of brighten everything up. I don't really like to use too much face makeup, honestly, just mostly concealer. So this is all I will be adding for my face. And then I'm going to add that white shade. I'm just going to apply that to my brow bone under my eyebrows. And then once you apply this white shade under the brows, then you're just going to kind of blend that in with a clean blending brush. And now I'm going to take that peach shade once again and just go in to my lower lash line. Like so. Just gently applying it. And then I'm going to go in again with the dark brown shade, and I'm going to apply that on top of the peach color. Just blend that in. And I want to go in with my mascara and add that to my bottom lashes. And I actually forgot to film, but I actually added that same mascara to my top lashes as well, so I forgot to film that. I apologize. Now I'm going to go in with my lips. I'm using just this pinkish matte shade. I thought it would be fun to do kind of more of a funkier peachy pink color, so I applied this color onto my lips. This look would also look good with like a really dark lip or like a really nude lip, honestly. But I just felt like doing something kind of funky and out there. Now I'm going to go in with the inner corners of my eyes. I'm using this highlighter. Just going to brighten the inner corners up a bit. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.